Hi guys, I was asked many times how to make Russian leaf more stiff or stiffer. So I was also searching on internet to see what other beaders are using, and I found out on the YouTube by very well-known artist Jill Wiseman. Very good idea, what is working for me perfect, and I accepted her idea and the product what she recommended, and since then I use that product that is Protector Clear. You can find it on Amazon, and I use that product to make my Russian leaf earrings more stiff, and also other jewelry. I invite you to visit her YouTube channel because there you can find also a lot of other wonderful tutorials and lessons about beading, and very nice designs what she is going with you through, etc., etc. Really highly recommended. So I saw on her YouTube channel that she is using the Protector Clear, and she is using other method how to apply. Well, you know, work with what you have, and her method is also good with a plastic spoon, so that's why I invite you to see how she is doing that. I have this super cute bottle with the super glue, and I found out when I put that earring over this tip, I can very easy apply Protector Clear. So I first put the plastic on my bead mat. Well, you can do. I do this on the bead mat, not bead mat now, because I want to show you, but otherwise I don't do that on the bead mat. I'm doing that somewhere outside because this also has some odor. So okay, I placed my earring. Now I'm going to apply Protector Clear on my earring, really like soak it wet. Soak it wet here. I don't touch anything, as you can see. So this is also why I like this little bottle with the glue, because I can use that tip and turn the whole bottle and apply better. You see, very easy. So this is the first layer. Maybe I don't know now how much I add. You see, I can see that I add a lot. Maybe I will not need the second layer at all. But this is the product. So this is going to be, now I have to leave it for a couple of hours or overnight to dry. And then I will see if I need another layer or not. I put obviously a little bit too much, but I don't think that will, you can also play with the shape, adjust it a little bit, and let's see. I will make another video tomorrow with the result. Hi guys, this is less than 24 hours later. My Russian leaf earrings are firm, stiff, yeah. The thing is working. I accept advice from Jill Wiseman because I cannot imagine to put on my jewelry floor polish or clear nail polish. For clear nail polish, I always have concern that it's going to get yellow after a while, and it happened to me before. And with the floor polish, like pledge or something, I well, also I'm not so into it. And for protective clear is used for in jewelry industry for as a protective coating for metal. So that has sense to me to try, had sense to me to try, and also it was recommended from Jill. So as a respectful artist and woman who really tried a lot of things and know how to do things. I think that she's it was easy for me to just accept her advice, and as you can see, it's working. Protect the Clear you can find on Amazon. I will give it a link, and that's it. You can try. Please still visit Jill Wiseman YouTube channel, and I will give you the link for that too, and see how she applies the protective clear on her earrings with the plastic spoon. Also interesting way, if you don't have the same similar bottle as I do, to lay them and apply the coating. So it's working. That is very important, and see you in the next lesson.